Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day. I know today market was very challenging, but as they say, you cannot trade when you want to trade, you can only trade when there is a trade. So the key important thing is patient and disciplined, right? That's what exactly I train with my traders. So even within a challenging market, we managed to bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze through price action and intraday analysis and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. As always, if you would like to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, feel free to join my fast growing trader community. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. As always, if you don't want to miss my analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. So if you look at the Euro USD chart, and if you look at here in 4 hour, this morning, as you can see here, we were expecting this breakout. Technically we're looking this breakout, you can see here, and this breakout you can see here. So we had a long trade this morning. Afterwards, we have taken all these pullback short trades in intraday. Let me share with you the entries and exit. And if you look at here, we had a beautiful trades, and let me share with you guys. So this is the all right, so this is the analysis at the Asian session. That was a pretty standard. You can see here falling wedge. That was the beautiful breakout and pullback this morning. As soon as the price hit, explain my traders time to enjoy some profit. I also did another analysis of this breakout, updated that analysis just to make sure trader don't miss that opportunity. I can see here we have beautiful pullback, and after that breakout long trade banking some profit. As soon as the price reverse impulsively, because we were watching in 4 hour guys, as you can see here, price developer double top here. As soon as the price reverse, I'd explain my trader, this is the point of interest. If the price is going to break even this wedge, because we have false breakout, take a short trade here. You can see here after the breakout we have another pullback short trade here, banking few pp's, and afterwards price you can see develop another consolidation. That's what I explained to my look for this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken and the retest, and afterwards such a nice beautiful, as soon as the price hit around inside the Bollinger Band, that's what I explained my trader. You can see the first target and the final target. As soon as the price hit to the final target, explain my traders time to enjoy some profit. And as always, after banking some profit, look for another pullback at this level. So you can see here, after banking some profit, I updated my analysis. As you can see here, beautiful pullback short trade here, banking some profit. As soon as the price develop low high, explain my trader, wait for the price action, develop another pattern. As you can see here, price develop another pattern. We have another counter long trade here. As soon as the price hit this level, explain my trader, it's time to enjoy profit or move your stop loss at the break even. I'm expecting another short trade here. As you can see here, after that price reverse impulsively. As always, that's the level of interest. That's what I explained to my trader. Look for this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken, and I just mentioned guys, it's time for me to leave. And you can see here, price nicely hit to the support level, and that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see guys, we had such an amazing trade on Euro USD cable. We had amazing trade too. And if you look at the 4 hour chart, price nicely hit to the resistance level. And if you look at here, we have these three fractals sort of like developing a head and shoulder pattern. So that's why we have a beautiful, you can see here, price nicely broken after the breakout, price retest in 4 hour continuation. And let me share with you guys how I analyze in intraday and bank amazing profit. And let me share with you guys, we had such amazing trade guys. So you can see here, we've been taking all these trades. Okay, so this is the Asian session analysis. As you can see, explain my trader, first priority would be the pullback short trade here at this level. Let's say if the price does not develop pullback and price break and retest, give us the confirmation, then possibility of false breakout long trade here. As you can see here, we haven't seen any red candle, price broken after the breakout, price retest. That's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some trade as soon as the price hit this level. And that's what I explained my trader, it's time to bank some profit or move your stop loss at the break even, pretty standard. And after that, you can see here banking some profit, price nicely reverse. And once the price reverse, as you can see here, this London morning session, after banking some profit, after banking this profit, price reverse, And as always, that's what I explained to my trader with the live analysis, looking for this level. You can see here price developed this one, so more likely we are looking here another pullback at this level, and that's what I mentioned here. You can see here price nicely developed based on the analysis. Beautiful short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the support level, bank amazing profit on pound dollar. Right, so as you can see here again, once we bank some profit, price develop another pattern. That's what we updated that analysis. Price nicely broken and beautiful short trade here on pound dollar after banking some profit. As always, look for another pullback. Pretty standard. You can see here price bank few pp's. After that pullback short trade here, bank amazing profit. And afterwards, as you can see here, if you look at the price action, that's what explains symmetric triangle pattern. But if you look at here, that's what explained my trader price develop inverted head and shoulder pattern. We might going to have another counter long trade here, and the target would be this level, which price nicely hit after banking some profit. As you can see here, price reverse again explain, look for point of interest this level, price action, pure price action, guys. Beautiful, another pullback, breakout long trade here. That's this trade we came out at the break even. After that, as explained to my trader, look for another breakout. That's what you can see here, breakout and pullback short trade here. And afterwards, after banking this profit, I also updated that analysis here. You can see here that was a pretty standard breakout opportunity. After the breakout, as you can see here, in a 4 hour, price nicely come back here, retest, breakout, pullback. As soon as the price hit to the profit target at this level, as you can see here, that's what explained my traders time to enjoy some profit. You can see, guys, how we analyze in a 4 hour, how we analyze entries and exit and banking pp's every single day. Right, so dollar CAD was a bit, consolidation. But if you look at here, this is what explained my trader look for here, price nicely respected here. So we were expecting from the news reaction, but we managed few pp's. Let me share with you guys the intraday analysis. As I mentioned, we had a challenging market, but we managed beautiful pips. All right, so as always, pretty standard, pretty straightforward, based on the momentum, bias over short. London morning session, you can see here, look for another pullback at this level. That's a pretty standard. If the price gonna break, false breakout, then retail long, otherwise short. You can see a beautiful short trade here. Price nicely hit to the previous level, bank few pp's. After banking some pp's, price reversed. Then I did another price action analysis. That was a pretty standard breakout. After the breakout pullback, as soon as the price hit this previous high, that's what explained my trade is time to enjoy some profit. And let's see the price after that. You can see here price developer consolidation, and this breakout just performed right now, and explain my trader after this breakout just keep taking a pullback. All right, guys, you can see, guys, how we analyze market in 4 hour, how we analyze entries and exit and banking profit every single day. So as always mentioned, if you would like to enjoy all this live analysis in real time instead of watching this review, that's the interesting part of it, so you can bank profit in real time. Or if you are struggling in this forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill real time, live, through live intraday analysis. And once you develop your trading skill, you will also get funded. If you are interested how I coach and train my trader with a live market every single day, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation, guys. And availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my team member will show you how to become a successful trader and get funded. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.